Prasavasi Foundation Tripura, Mutum Monitor, Convener, Umang Like and the Loop, Manipur, Loinana, Numinison, the Panko from Asita, a special guest, Amazon, Isos person in our Wangan, the Professor Paulo University of Manipur University, Osasu, Sropiapidi, Nasigi, Michael Mohammed from Osita, Nagi, Lohan Pias, Mayam Salapide, Mayam Philip Siga, Mayam Gitanga, the Inimpo. Kami coaching tu ada lesi yang pasal agak mana lagi mesti yang bang kita kopi dengan. Adun tinggi. Jadi pokra lah. Pokra lah. Mata ini tinggi. Tinggal agak tu. Tangkai kamu yang saya tidak.
Kalau ada ini orang ngaji. Ini apa asal foto kerja apa? Asal tu. Mai itu kalau nak kan deh on mai on loh.
Nopo golo, sono golo kamera.
Lupa cincin.
Cincin apa? Belum total dia.
Aman lang to pasok piran.
Penjek.
Pak, asi patho mayek se. Mayek se.
Penjek.
Kendel pa.
Paunda Prasavasi, he was born on 20 December 1823 at Hobom Lekha, Impal. He created a meet in the Battle of Kongjong War, whose inaudible courage shown against British Army on 23rd April 1891 created the nostalgic patriotic songs Kongjam Parva of Wat Sagao, Manipur. Unveiled by Iningtho Lesim Pasana Jaubo, His Highness King of Manipur, in presence of N. Birusino, President of Manipur Related Cultural Forum Tripura, Senam Tripoksungo Secretary, Putiba Welfare and Cultural Society, L. Samarandra Arun, Convener, Paunda Prasavasi Foundation Tripura, Mutum Manitar, Convener, Ukal Manipur, Kushnam Magol Secretary, Manipur Related Cultural Forum Tripura, 23rd April 2019 at Governor Kwai, organized by Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura and Paunda Prasavasi Foundation.